Oh, hey guys, look what month it is! Hi guys, and welcome to Vlogmas Day 2. Technically it is the 1st of December because yesterday's video that I uploaded was pre-filmed before December, but I still wanted to make it the 1st of December video because I'm working today, so I won't have time to edit and upload on the same day like I usually do. But this year's Vlogmas is going to be pretty chill because I'm filming a mix of like sort of main channel videos and vlogs, if you get what I mean. So some are going to be filmed on my main camera, some are going to be filmed like this on my phone. But anyway, today is a different video from what I usually start my Vlogmas with because I don't have my decorations down from the attic yet. So because I'm doing a shift at work tonight and it's actually meeting, I've decided to quickly bake some mince pies with some mincemeat, and I'm being lazy. I'm not making it from scratch because I have colleagues that are vegan, so I'm going to be using some Just Roll, which is actually vegan. So that's going to be my morning, and yeah, I don't know what else I'm going to do. I'm going to open my advent calendar for sure, and we'll do that together. So I've preheated my oven to 200 degrees, and I'm just going to roll out this pastry and get started. I have some little kind of like cookie cutters here which I'm going to be using. So I'll be using this for making the star shape and this for actually cutting out the actual main pastry bit. I don't know how many I'm going to be able to get out, but we'll see. So I've actually cut these out and popped them in gently, so I'm going to put some mincemeat in and then see how it goes. To be fair, I think that looks alright, so I'm going to cut some stars from what I've got left and then see how much pastry I've got for more pies. So yes, but so far is actually enough for each of us because it's a very small meeting. So yay! Knives like this actually help to cut the star better, so that's what I'm gonna do. The mince pies I've managed to do, so there's enough for all of us plus 2 extra in case anyone wants another one. And this is pastry, so I can tell why it's basically about because there's so much wastage, but I can't like bunch it up and like roll it again because it said don't, because it's puff pastry, so it won't cook properly. But yeah, I'm gonna pop this in the oven now for 20 minutes and I'll get back to you guys. So, as it is the 1st of December, it is time to open my advent calendar. So, of course, I had to get the classic dairy milk because that is, hands down, my favourite branded chocolate ever. And I was going to get Heroes this year, but I do like the classic advent calendar chocolate that isn't like filled with caramel. So let's just open it together. To be fair, the doors are always the same every year, and number 1 is here. What did we get today? It's the Christmas countdown. Woo! Bet it's like a penguin or something. What is it? It's Rudolph! Like I said in my last video, I actually save all these and eat them on like Christmas Day, Boxing Day. So this is my bag to start the whole collection. And I'm just going to put this in the fridge because chocolate from the fridge is like the best thing in the world, not gonna lie. And this is the end result. So even though they didn't come out the like tray really well, I'm still really happy with it, even though it is the lazy method. But yeah, just taking a picture for the thumbnail, and yeah, what else can I say? I'm so excited to eat these tonight at the meeting. So I will leave this vlogmas here because I need to get ready soon for work, but I hope you enjoyed this little vlog of baking mince pies. I will probably do another vlog later in the month of me doing them properly, as in like my classic short crust pastry recipe. But if you enjoyed today's vlogmas, give it a thumbs up, subscribe and click the notification bell below to get updates when I next upload, and hopefully I will see you tomorrow for another vlogmas video. Yay! Goodbye guys!